Today I am going to start Laplace transform. First definition of Laplace transform can be taken as let f of t be a function of t defined for all positive values of t. Then the Laplace transform of f of t denoted by L, capital letter L of f of t is defined by L of f of t equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. By calculating this integral, the result defined in terms of s, so that it is represented by f of s. Once again, L of f of t, Laplace transform of f of t is defined as integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt, which is represented by the symbol f of s, provided that integral exists. S is a parameter which may be a real or complex number. Here there is a S, that is may be either real or complex number. Simply the above definition also written as L of f of t equal to f of s. By calculating integration, you will get function in s that is represented by f of s, which can be also written as L of f of t equal to f of s. Then f of t only equal to L inverse of f of s. This is L of f of t equal to f of s. Then f of t only equals to L inverse, right? L on opposite side it will be changed as L inverse of f of s. Then f of t is called, here f of t is called the inverse Laplace transform of f of s. Inverse Laplace transform of f of s. The symbol L, capital letter L, which transform the function f of t into f of s, is called the Laplace transform operator. Once again, Laplace transform definition. F of t be a function of t defined for all positive values of t. Then Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t. It is nothing but integration 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. By calculating integration, the result always defined in terms of f of s, and then provided that the integral exists. S is a, here there is a s, that may be either real number or complex number. Simply L of f of t represented by f of s. The same equation also written as f of t only equal to L inverse of f of s, where f of t is called inverse Laplace transform of f of s. Here inverse minus 1 is also called as inverse. L is called Laplace, inverse Laplace transform of f of s, where capital letter is a operator of Laplace transform, which transforms f of t into f of s. Here the Laplace transform operator is L, which transform f of t. Here the Laplace transform operator is L, which transform f of t into f of s. This is the main point. Here, applications of Laplace transform. Laplace transform method is especially useful for solving linear differential equations with constant coefficients. For this, working rule or working procedure given as: first, take Laplace transform of both sides of the differential equation using the formula and given initial conditions. Now, mainly you have to use this type of formulas, so that L of f y of t, instead of f of t, y of t also function. Y is nothing but f. Similarly, L of y of t equal to corresponding value is y of s. L of y dash of t, I mean L operated on derivation of y of t, then its result is s into L of y of t minus y of 0. Here L operated y double dash of t, its value is s square into L of y of t minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. L of y triple dash of t, its value is s cube into L of y of t. And everyone starting is s of L of y of t, s square L of y of t, s cube L of y of t minus s square y of 0. minus s y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. These are the formulas. L operated on derivative of y. Here L of y, L of y dash, L of y double dash, L of y triple dash formulas are here. Using these, we can solve the differential equation. Transform the terms with minus signs to the right. I mean, you have to transform the terms to the right by changing the signs only. After that, divide by the coefficient of y of s, getting y of s as a function of s. To get y of s, we have to divide the coefficient of y of s. After that, resolve this function of s into partial fractions and take the inverse transform of both sides. This gives y as a function of t, which is a desired solution satisfying the given equation. As per this procedure, we have to find out the solution of given differential equation with the help of Laplace transform method. According to this, before going to use Laplace transform method, we have to know some formulas. Here there are some formulas. Now 1 by s. In place of 1 by s, we have to write L of 1. 1 by s square formula is L of t. 1 by s cube formula is L of t square by 2 factorial. 1 by s power 4 is L of t cube by 3 factorial. In general, 1 by s to the power of n plus 1 formula is L of t power n by n factorial. Second formula is 1 by s plus a equal to L of e power minus at. 1 by s minus a equal to L of e power at. 1 by s square plus a square equals to L of sin at by a. Next, s by s square plus a square is L of cos at by at only, trigonometric related. Next, hyperbolic opposite. 1 by s square minus a square equal to L of sin h of at by a. These two are similar to each other, but here plus for trigonometric function, for minus for hyperbolic function. S by s square minus a square equal to L of cos h of at. Here also these two are similar to each other. Here there is a plus, here minus. This is trigonometric related cos at. Here L of cos h of at, hyperbolic function. And then fourth, 1 by s minus b whole square plus a square equal to L of e power bt sin at by a. Now here also you observe the first formula. This one is similar to each other. But in place of s, what is the term here? S minus b. So for this corresponding result taken as L of, L is as it is. E power minus bt, this is corresponding to minus b sin at by a. Remaining part is same. Just these two are similar, but in place of s minus b is there. In this case, corresponding formula is L of e power bt sin at by a. Next, s minus b by s minus b whole square plus a square. Here also these two are same to each other, but in place of s minus b is there. Instead of s minus b, corresponding result taken as L of e power bt cos at. Similarly, here also a by s minus b whole square minus a square equal to L of e power bt sin h of at. These two are same. Here also you can write 1 also. Then the result is here a. Here also these two are same, but in place of s only s minus b. Instead of s minus b, extra function is e power bt. Next, s minus b by s minus b whole square minus a square equal to. Here these two are same, but instead of s minus b. For s minus b, corresponding result taken as here L of e power bt cos h of at. These are the main formulas. And then special formulas. L inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. Here for denominator there is a square is there. For this formula is t sin at by 2a. L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square whole square. These two are similar to each other, but here the numerator is s, here numerator is 1. Denominator same in both. That equal to, its result can be taken as 1 by 2a cube sin at minus at cos at. Okay, this is very special formula. L of t power n y to the power of n of t. Here L of t power n is a positive number. Yn of t, derivative of y, n time derivative of y. L operated on this. In this case, corresponding result can be taken as minus 1 whole power n, mth derivation with respect to s, L of y power n of t. Here, solve by the method of transforms the equation y triple s plus 2y dash minus y dash minus 2y equal to 0. Given y of 0, y dash of 0 equal to 0, y double dash of 0 equal to 6. Here these three are initial conditions. Using transform method and initial conditions, we can find solution of given differential equation, where y is nothing but y of t. Y is a function in t. Y dash is nothing but y of t. Y dash of t. Y double dash simply it is also written as y double dash of t. Y triple dash can be written as y triple dash of t. First, the given equation can be written as y triple dash plus 2y dash minus 2y. This is the given equation. Can be written as y triple dash is nothing but y triple dash of t. Here it is y dash of t, double dash of t, y dash of t minus 2y of t. According to the procedure, we have to apply Laplace operator on both sides. Laplace operator is nothing but capital letter L. Right side is a 0. Now enter operator into the bracket. L of first term. 2 is a number, it is a constant. L applicable on only function. L of y dash of t. 2 is a constant. L of y of t equal to 0. Now here I give formulas for Laplace transform. According to these formulas, we can write corresponding values. L of y of t, L of y dash of t, L of y double dash of t, L of y triple dash of t. These are all most useful formulas to define solution of given differential equation. So that here y triple dash of t is cube L of y of t minus s square into y of 0 s into y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. This is completely formula of L of y triple dash of t. And then next second term minus 2 into, this is also, this one also having formula s square L of y of t minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 minus L of y dash of t can be written as s into L of y of t minus y of 0 minus 2 into L of y of t as per formula y of s equal to 0. Now L of y of t also written as y of s. Here also L of y of t. Here also L of y of t. Here also L of y of t. In place of this you can write y of s and given initial conditions also. In place of y of 0 is 0. In place of y dash of 0 is 0. In place of y double dash of 0 is number 6. So now you should write given conditions from initial conditions. Now s cube y of s. This is 0, this one is 0. Y double dash of 0 is 6. First term clear. Minus 2 into s square into y of s. Here also y of 0, y dash of 0 both are zeros. minus here also s into y of s minus 0 minus 2y of s equal to 0. After that sqy of s minus 2s square y of s minus sy of s minus 2y of s equal to 0. Here sin y of 0 apply. I applied here plus. Now from this you can take out y of s, and here also there is a one number minus 6 equal to 0. Now from this all we can take out y of s as common. Here sqy of s minus 6, sqy of s minus 6 remaining as it is. Now sq 2s square minus s minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. This is only minus 6. Now as per procedure we have to define y of s only on left hand side. To define that, first write minus 6 on opposite side. Y of s only equals to by 6. Oh, sorry. Y of s equal to 6 by s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2. Now this is y of s value, but actually we need solution. Solution is represented by y of t, so that y of s also written as, from this formula, y of s written as L of y of t. Now y of t equal to, this is the fraction. Now y of t only we need, so I enter operator opposite side. L is the operator is here. Now write this operator on opposite side. Then L becomes as L inverse minus 2. Now this is solution of given equation, but we have to clear L inverse of 6 by s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2. So that give the name of this equation and take out this one only separately and find out inverse Laplace transform of this function. So that first take the name of this function as f of s minus 2. Now to get formulas form, first we have to find out factors of the denominator using Horner's division. To get Horner's division results, first write coefficients order wise, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Take small number for s. First number is 0, addition is 1, product is 1, addition is 3, product is 3, addition is 2, product of these 2 is 2, addition is 0. So this is the correct root of the equation. Now again take some more small equation, minus small number for s, 0, addition, product is minus 1, addition is 2, product is minus 2, here also this is 0. Now cubic equation has 3 roots, already we cleared 2 roots, s equal to 1, s equal to minus 1. From this last you can write S cube reduced to S square reduced to S. So this is S plus 2 equal to 0. From this you can write S minus 1. From this you can write factor S plus 1. This is S plus 2. These are the factors of the denominator. Now f of S equal to 6 by factors of denominator are S minus 1, S plus 1, S plus 2. But if there is a single factor, we can write corresponding formula. Okay, according to the Laplace transform formulas, if there is a single factor in denominator, we can write corresponding formula. Why? Because here single factor is there, we can write corresponding formula. But here three factors are combining, so we have to use partial fractions method. F of S equal to, for first degree factor corresponding constant is A by S minus 1. For second factor B by S plus 1. C by third factor is S plus 2. This is called partial fractions method. Now first to get constant A, shortcut method is A equals to. Now this is the function. Now here also you should write complete function except denominator of A only, S minus 1. So that what is the fraction here? 6 by S plus 1 into S plus 2. From this what we can write? S equal to, S minus 1 is a factor, then S equal to 1. By writing S equal to 1, 6 by here it is 2 into 3. A value is 1. Similarly, here also constant B. Write complete fraction except denominator S plus 1. So that 6 by S minus 1 into S plus 2. From this denominator, what is the value of S? S equal to minus 1. 6 by minus 2, here 1. It is equals to 2 3's minus 3. B value is minus 3. Next, to get C, write complete fraction except C, here denominator. So that C equals to fraction S by S minus 1. Okay, next S plus 1. From this denominator S equal to, S plus 2 is a factor, then S equal to minus 2. By writing S equal to minus 2, the result is 6 by, here it is minus 3, here it is minus 1. It equal to 3 to C is 2. So that factors are here. A is 1 by S minus 1. B is plus C is 2. Now this is the value of f of S. After that, here every factor is in standard form of the formulas. Here look at here, 1 by S plus A. In place of this what we can write? L of e power minus at. 1 by S minus A, L of e power at. First degree factors, here also everyone is first degree factor with plus with minus. So that here f of S equal to 1 by S minus A. 1 by S minus A can be written as L of e power at. L of e power A is 1 minus 3 into plus 3 into plus into minus 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 3 into 1 by S plus 1. 1 by S plus 1 is L of e power minus at. A is 1 plus 2 into 1 by S plus A, L of e power 1 by S plus A is L of e power minus at. A is 2. Now everyone defined in terms of Laplace and f of s also written as the function L of f of s, L of f of t. F of s is nothing but L of f of t. Here L of e power t minus 3 into L of e power minus t plus 2 into L of e power minus 2t. Now enter L opposite side, then L of L inverse. L inverse of L, f of t equal to f of t only equals to here L. F of t equal to L inverse of L will be cancelled, then there is a t minus 3 into L. You should write L opposite side, then it will be L inverse. L inverse of L cancel, e power minus t plus 2 into e power minus 2t. Now y of t, f of t is nothing but y of t. Suppose for example f of x equals to y. Similarly f of t also written as y of t. Likewise here also f of t is nothing but y of t. Here it is e power minus t minus 3 e power minus t. This is plus 2 e power minus 2t. Now this is the solution from first equation. Here there is a equation 1 from first equation. This is called solution. Is a solution of given differential equation.